again, this is David Rusher with Vendura. Today I'd like to talk to you about the care and maintenance of your Vendura solid surface products. For normal cleaning, we recommend you use a warm soapy water solution with a soft cloth. Please avoid using harsh chemicals like CLR that have a high acid concentration. For stubborn areas, you may wish to use a soft scrub pad. A soft scrub pad can also help you remove light scratches from the surface area. From time to time, you may wish to use a furniture polish like Pledge to bring back that beautiful luster of your solid surface products. If you have any further questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me anytime. My contact information will be at the end of this video. Thank you.